Welcome back my channel. Today, I will take care of your ears, gently cleaning and soothing every corner. Just relax, and focus on the soft sounds as I begin. Imagine the warm, calm atmosphere surrounding you, the perfect place for deep relaxation. First, I'll start with a soft brush, moving slowly around the outer ear. Listen closely to the delicate brushing sounds, almost like a gentle whisper of wind through leaves. The bristles glide softly, removing dust and tiny particles, preparing your ears for the deeper cleaning. Now, I take a small wooden stick, carefully shaped for precision. It's smooth and warm in my hand. I move it slowly, just inside the ear canal's opening, scraping gently to loosen any earwax. The sound is crisp but soft, like the faint crackling of dry leaves underfoot. I'll continue slowly, so you can feel each tiny movement. The stick twists slightly, gathering wax carefully without any discomfort. You might hear soft scraping and subtle pops as the wax detaches. It's deeply satisfying and soothing to listen to. Next, I use a slender metal tool, cold but safe. Its tip is rounded for comfort. I gently insert it a bit deeper, scraping and lifting wax layers. The metallic sound is faint but precise, like a quiet tapping on glass. It's rhythmic and calming. Let's take a moment to focus on the breathing sounds. Hear the slow, steady breaths, yours and mine, mixing softly with the cleaning noises. The calm breath creates a peaceful rhythm, a perfect harmony of sound. Now, I bring out a soft cotton swab. I dip it lightly in warm oil, making it just moist enough to help soften the wax. The swab moves gently, smoothing the ear canal walls, preparing them for the final cleaning. Feel the warmth spreading inside, soothing and relaxing. The cotton swab absorbs the loosened wax, and you hear the subtle squish and soft rubbing sounds. These small noises are like a lullaby, gentle and comforting. Next, I use a tiny suction tool. It creates a soft, whispery sound as it pulls away tiny bits of wax. The suction is delicate, almost like the quiet sound of a breeze passing through a hollow tube. Each tiny sound is satisfying, telling you the ear is becoming